Welcome back to Coast with Joanne. This is episode number 6. Today we will walk up to a vista point that overlooks both Lake Nicaragua and the Pacific Ocean. We will also look at the noni fruit tree. I'll share with you a couple of the things that I did to make the casita a little bit more comfortable. And we will look at the origins of the name Pickleball. So come along. Photo credit goes to Pam for these next few photos. So we took a hike up to a lookout that overlooks both Lake Nicaragua and the Pacific Ocean. You can see 4 of the 22 beaches that surround San Juan del Sur. And you can also see Lake Nicaragua, which hosts the island of Ometepe. You can also see 2 active volcanoes, Mombacho and Concepcion. You can see clearly here Nacascolo Bay. Volcano Concepcion on the right-hand side. You can see a windmill farm in front of it, and you can't see it very well because of the haze, but there is Lake Nicaragua right there. In this amazing shot, you can see the yellow flowers. I believe this is a Cortez tree. If it is, they will be in full bloom in about a week. There is Mombacho. This is a mountain and volcano that overlooks Granada, and we will go there in the next couple of weeks. These are howler monkeys in the tree. Generally, you can see them on this hike. You can also see blue morpho butterflies, and sometimes you can see toucans. Look at that cute little noni tree. That was in 2022. Now it is grown up, and one can't distinguish which one is the noni tree and which one is the hokoti tree. Let's take a look. It has been said that the noni fruit is a superfruit. However, I have never eaten it. My neighbors have told me that if you eat it, you will get a lot of gas. So I think I'll just avoid that altogether. So look at the difference between 2 years and 3 months. Now for some news from the court. I built these walls and I thought I was done. However, even though they are like 2 meters tall, They are not tall enough to keep the balls on the court. And remember, we're dealing with everybody was new. Absolutely everybody was a new player that played on this court. So we had balls everywhere. So I decided to build a mesh above the walls. I want to take a few minutes to talk about the name pickleball. People ask about this all the time. The game was invented by a family just outside of Seattle, Washington in 1965 on an island called Bainbridge Island. They created this game by taking like leftover things from other games from their garage, like things from tennis, from badminton, and from ping pong. And with that, they built a court on their driveway. So it was all leftover things from other sports. Joel, who was one of the creators of pickleball, his wife's name was Joan. And Joan was a rower when she was in college. So in rowing, when the teams are chosen, the team captains choose their teams, and then all of the leftover people, after the teams have chosen who they want, that is called the pickle team. And so, looking at the equipment that was chosen to create this game, it was all the leftover equipment from other games such as tennis, badminton, and ping pong. They called it pickleball. Now, I believe that is the true story. However, there is a another story of where the game came from, and that is that the family's dog was called Pickles, and Pickle would get into the game all the time, so they called it pickleball. So you choose what you want. I am of the mindset that it comes from Joan and her experience of being a rower in college. Pickleball San Juan del Sur and the Casita is in a normal working class neighborhood in the barrio of La Talanguera, San Juan del Sur. The road is not paved. So what happens is this road is in different conditions depending on the season. During the heavy rainy season, like between September, October, November, the road gets all torn up from the rain because the rain comes down hard. And then in December, the people from the mayor's office, what we call the alcaldía, they come and they put down new material and they make it all smooth again. And it is just such a wonderful day when that happens. Before I moved into the casita, even though it was still in quite disastrous condition, I needed a few things that would make my life bearable. So I bought a really nice bed with a great mattress and a mattress top. I bought a fridge and a washing machine. I had those three pieces of furniture that were made from the walls, and I had a table and chair set. So that is my furniture. And as we go on, I will buy other pieces, but these are the things that I needed to be comfortable. So that is it for today. We have more than 350 subscribers as of this morning, and I want to thank each and every one of you very much. I will see you next week for episode number 7.